A quick analysis of Shopify POS. Shopify Point of Sale is a robust and all-encompassing point-of-sale system that assists business owners in streamlining their retail operations. It simplifies the process of running a retail business by providing a wide variety of tools, like its customer relationship management and inventory management, which may help merchants better manage their operations. Let's take a more in-depth look at the features that come included with this widely used POS system. Let's discuss how affordable it is, as well as how easy it is to use. Shopify POS provides proprietors of new or established small businesses with a solution that doesn't break the bank. Shopify's e-commerce service comes included with the Lite plan, but if you upgrade to a higher plan, you'll have access to a wider range of other services. In addition to this, it is simple to use. Setting up your store takes only a few minutes, and the user-friendly interface makes it simple to begin making sales right away. Simply follow the link provided below to start a conversation with one of our Shopify point-of-sale specialists. Now we will discuss how to manage our inventory. The comprehensive inventory management features offered by Shopify POS are among the most significant benefits offered by this point-of-sale system. You can simply add new goods, change old ones with just a few clicks, and watch inventory levels in real time, all from inside the same interface. In addition, if you have more than one retail location or warehouse, you can easily synchronize the information that is stored at each location so that everyone is aware of when the stock needs to be refilled. Keep in mind the importance of CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. Shopify also offers robust customer relationship management solutions that may assist you in managing your clients and the interactions you have with them over the course of your business. You may gain a deeper knowledge of your customers' purchasing patterns by seeing their customer profiles and purchase histories. You can then put this information to use by developing targeted campaigns and promotions that are specially customized to meet the requirements of your customers. In addition, you have the ability to collect consumers' contact information, like email addresses and phone numbers, so that you may continue to interact with them after they have left your business. In general, Shopify POS is a useful choice for retail business owners who are searching for a point-of-sale system that is both economical and feature-rich. In addition to assisting you in maintaining an organized and productive retail business, the capabilities that it possesses make it simple for you to manage your inventory, collect data from customers, and deliver customized service. Shopify Point of Sale is an option that should be considered if you are searching for a business solution that addresses all of your needs in a single package. Simply use the link provided below to start a live chat with an industry professional who will gladly answer any queries you may have.